Replacing the motor on the S-Series wall mount air handler is slightly different than on traditional full-sized wall mounts. First thing you want to do is start by removing the pull disconnect to remove power from the unit, followed by removing the control panel. Now that the control panel is removed, you can remove the top panel that holds on the air filter. The next step will be to remove the two side panels that secure the coil into the cabinet. With the side panels removed, the coil is loose and can be rotated out of the cabinet. The innovative flexible header on the coil allows for this movement without risk of breaking the joint loose. Now that the coil has been repositioned out of the way, the next step is to remove the motor wiring. The green ground wire on the motor is to be removed with your drill driver. Now that all your motor wiring has been disconnected, the final step is to remove the 4 bolts holding the motor, blower, and trim ring into the blower assembly. With the 4 bolts removed, the motor, trim ring, and blower wheel can be removed from the blower housing and replaced.